Hi guys, got another unboxing today for you guys. This is the Razer Kishi Universal Mobile Gaming Controller for Android, uh, specifically for Xbox use, but you can also use it for PlayStation Remote Play. Let's look at the back of it. Let's see here. Let's get right into it. So it says to extend the controller, see reverse side for instructions. Pull bolt, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, this tape's holding it back. Okay. Now what I wanted to see if it fits my phone. Which it looks it does. So let me take this off. Let's just try with the case on. Okay. Well, I'm having difficulties trying to get the case on, so I'll come back with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.